everybody that's worked in pretty much any decent sized organization has gone, here's the stuff that happens in the core systems, and here's all the rest of the important stuff we do in Excel.
Yeah.
And actually RPA was just another Excel-like tool. It's something that I can pick up, get hold of, and actually start working with. And it worked effectively by simulating a person clicking buttons through a user interface. That was the robotic bit, which meant that you didn't even have to tell the IT department because as far as they can see, it's just something clicking the buttons. It wasn't really that you didn't have to tell IT, but that was the idea that.
But that was the power. So it's a tool that empowers business people, exactly like Excel does.
Exactly.
And they don't have to try to put it to express it in a slightly different way. So they don't have to wait for IT to implement certain things, certain rules, certain new ways of working in the software itself, in the ERP or in the BPM that we talked about. Because that takes time. And it takes investment, and it's not always clear. Sometimes they don't have the time or the resources to do it. Sometimes it's not clear that there is a return, that it is worth to invest in that. So, but it's still worth empowering the business users to do things faster, and especially repetitive things or things that take a long time. And this is the kind of tool for that, right? RPA is a tool that can help with that, but it can do other things, right? It can also help the IT people, doesn't it?
It can help the IT people, but really I'm just leaning on why did it really take off? Why was it exciting? And it was because it was about changing the who could do stuff, not quite so much what could be done.